Here's the truth nobody is telling you. Walking is not enough. Not anymore. Not after 60. You've been told your whole life that a daily walk is the golden ticket to health. And yes, walking helps your heart, it lifts your mood, it clears your head. But here is what it quietly fails to do. And this is the part that costs people their independence every single day. Walking does not stop muscle loss. It does not rebuild your balance reflexes. It does not protect your joints. And it absolutely does not prevent falls, which is the #1 cause of fractures and disability in older adults worldwide. Starting around age 50, your body begins losing between 1% and 2% of its muscle mass every single year. Scientists call this sarcopenia. And when that muscle disappears without the right training to fight back, what follows is a brutal chain reaction. Weakness, stooped posture, shorter steps, joint pain, instability, the slow, creeping fear of moving through your own home. Walking works the cardiovascular system, yes, but it barely scratches the surface of what your muscles actually need to survive aging. It doesn't activate your power fibers. It doesn't strengthen the deep stabilizing muscles that keep you upright. It doesn't rebuild what time is tearing down. But here's where everything changes. This deterioration is not inevitable. Study after study confirms that even at 70, even at 80, the human body can rebuild muscle, regain strength, and restore balance. All it takes is 10 to 15 minutes a day of the right exercises, movements that target your glutes, legs, core, and neuromuscular system in ways walking simply cannot reach. It is not age-stealing your mobility. It is the absence of the right stimulus. Today, you're going to get that stimulus. 6 therapeutic exercises, 0 impact, no equipment, no floor work required, all scientifically backed to awaken your deep muscles, protect your joints, and transform the way you walk, stand, and move through life. I am Dr. Ada James, men's health and performance coach. Stay with me. What follows could change everything. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get into it. Exercise 1. Wall push-ups. Most people dismiss wall push-ups as too easy. That is a critical mistake. Wall push-ups are one of the most complete postural correction tools available to an older adult. With age, the shoulders roll forward, the upper back rounds, and the chest collapses inward. This condition, known as dorsal kyphosis, is not just a cosmetic issue. It compresses the lungs, reduces oxygen intake, shifts your center of gravity forward, and dramatically increases your fall risk. Wall push-ups attack this directly. They strengthen the chest, shoulders, triceps, and the deep spinal stabilizers, including the serratus anterior and transversus abdominis. The wall angle protects the wrists, neck, and lower back, making this exercise safe even for those with osteoporosis or arthritis. Here's what most people miss. When you push away from the wall, your core activates automatically to prevent the torso from collapsing. That reflex response is exactly what your body needs to walk upright, stand without fatigue, and catch itself before a stumble becomes a fall. Breathe in as you lean toward the wall. Breathe out as you push back. That single rhythm also activates your diaphragm, calms your nervous system, and opens the rib cage for deeper breathing. Oxygen flows better, energy levels rise, fatigue decreases. One movement, posture, strength, breathing, stability, all at once. Exercise 2, calf raises. Your calves are your body's second heart, and most people have no idea. Every time your calf muscles contract, they squeeze blood back up from your legs towards your heart against gravity. After 60, when daily movement decreases and those muscles weaken, this system starts to fail. Blood pools in the ankles, swelling builds, varicose veins worsen. That exhausted, heavy, dead feeling in your legs by the end of the day? That is your venous system struggling to do its job without adequate muscular support. Strengthening the calves reactivates that pump immediately. Circulation improves, fluid retention drops, nighttime cramps decrease, leg fatigue fades. But circulation is only half the story. Your ankles and calves are the foundation of every single step you take. When those muscles weaken, the Achilles tendon loses elasticity, type 2 power fibers disappear, and your steps get shorter and more shuffled. The brain loses its proprioceptive signal from the feet, meaning it no longer knows exactly where your body is in space. That is when stumbles happen. That is when falls happen. Strong calves restore that signal. They stabilize the ankle, sharpen the balance reflex, and reawaken the entire posterior chain, including the hamstrings, glutes, and spinal erectors. Better ankles mean better posture. Better posture means better balance. Better balance means independence protected. Exercise 3. Marching in place. This exercise is deceptively powerful. Marching in place with high knees delivers cardiovascular training, hip strength, core activation, and balance practice simultaneously without a single step outside, without uneven ground, without fall risk. Each knee raise fires the psoas, the hip flexors, and the deep abdominal stabilizers. These are the exact muscles responsible for lifting your feet off the ground when you walk. When they weaken, the foot begins to drag. The shuffle appears, and with the shuffle comes the tripwire for falls. Marching also trains dynamic balance in a way static exercises cannot. Your body constantly transfers weight from one leg to the other, forcing the ankles to stabilize, the core to brace, and the brain to process proprioceptive feedback in real time. This is the neurological training most older adults never get and desperately need. The coordination between your arms and legs during marching stimulates neuroplasticity, literally rewiring the connections between brain and body. Reaction time improves, movement becomes more fluid, the nervous system wakes up. Even 2 to 5 minutes daily begins reversing the shortened, shuffled gait pattern that aging and inactivity create. In a matter of weeks, steps get longer, posture lifts, confidence returns. Exercise 4. Supported squat. If there is one movement that separates independent people from dependent ones, it is the squat. Every time you rise from a chair, get off the toilet, or stand up from bed, you are performing a squat. Lose the strength to do that, and you lose your autonomy. It is that simple and that serious. The squat recruits the largest muscle groups in the body simultaneously: glutes, quadriceps, hamstrings, core. It stimulates both fast and slow muscle fibers, boosts bone density, and triggers hormonal responses that fight sarcopenia directly. No other single movement delivers that return. Using a chair or wall for support makes it completely safe at any level. The key is not how deep you go. The key is control. Feet firm, core engaged, spine aligned, weight in the heels, lower slowly, push back up with intention. Studies in aging physiology confirm that even bodyweight squats performed consistently improve walking speed, bone mineral density, and stumble recovery. The neural adaptation alone, training the brain to coordinate that pattern of movement, is protective against falls in ways that no amount of walking can replicate. Train the squat. Protect your independence. Exercise 5. Glute bridge. Your glutes are the engine of human movement, and for most people over 60, that engine has gone completely silent. Prolonged sitting, reduced activity, and sarcopenia combine to create what researchers now call dead butt syndrome. The gluteus maximus stops activating properly, the pelvis destabilizes, and the lower back is forced to compensate. The result is the chronic lumbar pain, morning stiffness, and hip instability that millions of older adults accept as simply getting old. It is not aging, it is a muscle that has been switched off, and the glute bridge switches it back on. By lifting the hips against gravity, you reactivate the gluteus maximus, the hamstrings, and the deep spinal erectors all at once. Pressure on the lumbar discs decreases, posture realigns, the pelvis stabilizes, and because the core must engage to hold the position, abdominal strength improves without a single crunch or sit-up. The downstream effects on daily life are profound. Steps become firmer. The hip stops swaying with each stride. Stair climbing becomes easier. The risk of falls drops because the body now has a stable center from which to move and react. 5 to 10 minutes. That is all it takes to begin reversing years of posterior chain shutdown. Exercise 6. Lateral leg raises. Falls don't usually happen forward, they happen sideways, and almost no one trains for that. The gluteus medius is the muscle responsible for stabilizing your pelvis with every single step. It fires in milliseconds to prevent you from tipping sideways as weight shifts from one foot to the other. When it weakens, which it does rapidly after 60 without direct training, the pelvis drops, the knee collapses inward, and lateral instability sets in. That is the swaying, uncertain gait that signals serious fall risk. Lateral leg raises isolate this muscle precisely. They rebuild the mind-muscle connection, strengthen the stabilizing fibers, and restore lateral control, the most neglected axis of balance in older adults. The joint benefits are equally important. This movement increases synovial fluid production in the hip, nourishing cartilage and reducing the stiffness and ache that come with arthritis and years of sedentary life. 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions per side, 3 times a week. Within weeks, the gait stabilizes, the sway disappears, confidence on stairs, uneven ground, and in the dark returns. These 6 exercises work together to restore what aging and inactivity quietly destroy. Combined consistently, they reduce fall risk by up to 50%, reverse sarcopenia, improve circulation, restore posture, and reprogram the nervous system for safer, stronger movement. Your body is not too old. It is understimulated. Give it the right signal starting today, and it will respond. It always does. Like this video, subscribe, save this routine, and take the first step toward aging on your own terms.